Hey guys, it's Ro. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hello.
You guys know Justine. We made a bunch of videos together. I'm going to be putting a link down below to her YouTube channel. Show her some love. Go check her out. Subscribe. And if you'd like to show some support, click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Okay, so girl, I invited you over today because it is Halloween season, my favorite season, and I'm making a bunch of themed videos. And we decorated gingerbread houses together a couple years ago.
2016. Can you believe it? That's how long it's been since we decorated a house together?
That's too long. I can't believe it.
Me either. And I've never decorated a Halloween house.
No, me
Have you?
neither. So I went to Target and I found this, and they were gingerbread houses, but they're Halloween themed.
I love it.
They are spooky or spoopy, whatever you want to call it.
Spoopy?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Oh my God, you never heard of that? You've got to Google it. Okay.
Spoopy?
Yeah. Like
Spell
spooky,
it.
but spoopy.
What? Wait, P?
Yeah,
Spoopy.
with a P.
Like poopy?
Okay, you guys Google it, and you'll learn something new.
Ah! What? Where did this come from?
Let's get spoopy. All right. So in this cup, we have different decoration themes. These are themes that Molly came up with, my sister Mo. So we're gonna reach in here and we're gonna decorate our houses according to the theme.
Okay.
Just like we did last time, but for Christmas. And this one's for Halloween. And we're gonna have 10 minutes on the clock to decorate our gingerbread houses. We're gonna let you guys decide who won because we may not be able to tell.
No, or we may or may not be able to. There may be a clear winner.
All right, so I'm gonna let you do the honors. You're the guest, my lady, so choose your theme.
Okay, we should open them together.
Okay, here we go. Okay, ready?
Dun, 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 dun. Candy corn!
Frankenstein's monster.
Do you know what I don't like to eat?
Is it candy corn?
It's so sweet.
It's polarizing.
It puts you into like a panic.
It really, well, it does?
Yeah, I have one candy corn and I'm shaking and like, it's uncontrollable.
Do you want to switch?
No, it's okay. I'm not going to eat it. I'm just going to decorate.
Okay.
Spoopy. I'm getting spoopy.
So I got a ton of different things to decorate in front of us. Lots of different icing colors and Halloween candies and sprinkles. And look at these little candies.
Oh.
They're like little axes, like an axe murderer. We've got like monster hands.
One of these, just for my personal keeping.
Yeah, you can have one of these. We've got little hands and eyeballs and pumpkins. Now these candies, I think they are candy corn candies, but
they
they're
definitely
like in
are.
pumpkin form.
Yeah.
They taste like them.
They do. I'm gonna get so silly.
I gotta think.
I'm just thinking about the candy corn and I'm freaking out.
I get the same way when I have a lot of coffee.
I've had a lot of that too. Oh gosh.
Me
this
too.
video can
Justine
go crazy.
is so sweet. She brought me a dirty chai, and I have really been digging those this season.
They're good.
If you're wondering what a dirty chai is, it's a chai tea latte, but with a shot of espresso. So then it becomes a dirty chai.
Sometimes I get a dirty dose chai.
What's that?
2 shots of espresso.
A dirty dose?
Yeah, well, that's what I call it. I don't know if that's like an official thing.
Debbie says a double is called a filthy.
Oh, okay.
What?
A double shot, a filthy chai.
I feel uncomfortable now. Oh my gosh, these houses are never gonna
Next
get decorated.
time we're getting coffee together, I'm gonna order it in front of you out there. I'm gonna be like, I'll take a filthy chai.
I'll be like, what's dirtier than filthy? What is dirtier than filthy?
Disgusting. Just like, I'll take a disgusting chai. That's a triple shot.
Oh my gosh.
Justine, I love this. Okay, we
We're
digress,
gonna decorate.
but we are ready to decorate.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
10 minutes on whatever clock is going to be keeping the time.
Ready?
On your mark,
Uh-huh.
get set,
Ah!
decorate!
Okay.
I'm gonna start with a face. Okay, Frankenstein's monster. I'm thinking classic. Gotta get the green icing. You're supposed to mix it up a little, like with your hands in here, like massage it. But I don't really have a lot of time to massage it. Here we go. Justine, do you know what you're gonna be for Halloween?
I'm probably going to be what I was last year that I never actually was. So
What?
Me and
Can
my
I get any
sister.
hints?
I was just going to tell you.
Oh my God, yes!
Me and my sister are going to be Princess Daisy and Princess just like Princess
Peach?
Yeah. So
Peach and Daisy?
yeah. So I still have that
I
in
love
the
that idea.
in the container.
If you guys are Princess Peach and Princess Daisy, can I be Yoshi?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
treat, Yoshi.
I love it.
Because Yoshi likes to eat everything.
He does.
Do I have to decorate it 3D? Oh my gosh, this is my game. I should know.
Don't remember.
Like all the sides?
I can't remember yesterday. It's the thing I remember 2016.
That looks like a green face. Okay, now let's do some hair. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the top. Because Frankenstein's monster, I'm kind of going for the cartoon version of Frankenstein's monster. Whoa, whoa, what do you got going on over there?
You know, I'm just doing some stuff.
Look at you. You're
doing-
like setting up the ombre over
Doing
there. I'm
some
really
things.
proud.
Thank you. I don't really know what's gonna happen.
I'm still trying to pick my Halloween costume this year.
What are your options? What are you
I'm just
thinking?
like debating between all these different things. Like,
Yeah.
do I do something classic, or do I do something dark, or do I do something funny?
Spoopy?
The spoopy. My sister, because she's pregnant, I think she's gonna be a disco ball.
Oh my goodness.
Like this big round, like I think she's gonna be a disco ball.
I love it so much.
Or she was thinking about being an avocado.
I mean, if that was me, I would have like a demon baby coming out. Like,
I love it.
I think that's a missed opportunity. Why do you think he's peeing over here?
Yeah, it kind of has a little bit. It's kind of like when you open condiments and they have that little bit of liquid. You know, like mustard or ketchup, right? When you open it up and it's always like that, like liquid right away. What happened? What happened?
I know what
What is going on? Justine! Stop the time! We have a decorator down! What happened? Do you need coffee? Oh no! Do you need tissue? What do you need? What do you need? Let's talk about ketchup!
So
Okay.
I'm back.
Okay, Justine's back. She's okay.
I didn't even eat a candy corn yet. So silly.
5.5 minutes left.
5.5 minutes.
Okay, we're halfway there. We
Okay.
got this. We got this.
All right, so 1, 2, 3,
Go.
Okay, resume. Here we go.
Oh wow, we.
Oh, I thought I had a lot longer than that. This is not good. Come on, Ro, get that frosting on there. Here we go. Okay, that kind of looks like hair, sort of. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I forgot we're making a video. I'm just like focusing so hard on my little house here.
All right, I'm gonna put these little black licorice, another polarizing candy. People usually either love or hate it. Let me know in the comments below. Do you love or hate black licorice? This looks like hair. I have a little something to chew on. Give me a little energy boost. Okay, I gotta create really a great face here.
I'm getting so nervous.
Things are coming together. Look at this. You could,
That does look like hair.
That's something. So he's got those little bolts in his neck. So I gotta stick something on the side. I don't know what's gonna be a bolt. There's these. I could cover them in green. Maybe not a great idea.
I'm feeling the stress now.
This does not look like a bolt. And they're black, aren't they? The bolts?
Oh, that's not so good. I see.
Silver? Oh my gosh. You know what I could, okay, I'm gonna cover them black. I'm gonna dip them.
Okay.
Let me get this on here. I'm almost there, sort of.
Really?
No.
I am not.
These icings takes a
Oh
lot of
boy.
muscle to get them out of
Does
here.
take a lot.
Oh, okay. Oh, we'll just stick them in here to look like silver,
That's so cool.
right?
Yeah, I'm into
And
that.
then we'll just stick it on perfect.
I haven't even put a single piece of candy on it.
What, you got no candy?
No, I've been doing things.
Oh, girl, it's just look silver. Look silver. You can do it. You can do it.
Okay, now I'm
Be
getting.
a bolt.
I've only done
Oh no, it
one
fell.
side.
Uh-oh, I need to do the face.
Okay, I gotta
flip
add
this
something. I
around.
gotta add some
Flip this
things
around.
on here. I gotta
Okay.
add some corn.
Okay.
There's no corn on it.
We are running out of time.
We are running
Justine.
out of time.
Oh my god, what have I made? What have I done? Okay, we need hands. We need 2 little hands.
Oh gosh, I don't want to have to
Put
squirt
some
this
little
out again.
monster hands.
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
No.
I'm trying to decorate the front so you guys can really see while I decorate with this. Not working out so well.
This may be the worst gingerbread house I have ever made.
I don't believe it. I'm sure it's lovely. I'm not looking
It's
because
just like everything's mixed together now. There's no. Let me just add a little texture. Maybe we'll cover up all this bad piping. These look like hair. We could just add a little bit more hair effect. That didn't, this looks a little funny. It looks like he has little bugs in his hair now.
Why are you not
Okay,
sticking?
okay, let's get this backside just a little. What's the time? What's the time?
1 minute.
1 minute! Move, Justine, move!
I want to make sure they get the back
happened.
good.
Yeah, we gotta fix this back here. No, I'm not done.
I'm not ready.
Oh my gosh, this is really hard to do this quickly. Usually when I do gingerbread houses, it's not in 10 minutes, you know? I take my time, I have a glass of wine, I watch a movie, I decorate it over an hour and a half, and you have a cute little gingerbread house.
Yeah.
Relaxing, fun. This is not that situation.
It is not. I'm stressed.
This is looking really great.
You gotta
in
get.
front.
Yep.
I mean, this is a masterpiece.
10.
No!
I've got a ghost on my pants.
Wait.
Ah!
4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, ta-da! Here are our Halloween gingerbread houses. Very spoopy. This is the definition of spoopy. And this internet, make it happen. Take pictures of these and put it next to the official definition of it, because this is it. Show me around this. So your theme is candy corn.
Show the whole thing, or?
Yeah, I think you should show everyone what happened in a timed rush in the back here, because it's like just throwing up candy corn. It's just like, I don't even know what this is. So 10 minutes is definitely not enough time to decorate a gingerbread house like cutely. So like,
I feel like this is sort of like a definition of like when I clean at my house. Like you can't see the mess, but you just put it somewhere else. You
it's
put it
just
in the
kind of
drawer.
like over there.
Yeah.
All right, but to your credit, I will say that it's got the colors. All the colors match your theme that you were given. You used actual candy corn. Look at this little door.
Here, let's flip it back around so you can see the beauty.
Yeah, let's see the pretty side. Warning, this is what it'll look like if you eat too much candy. So you really just, keep a good balance.
But what have you got over here?
Oh, this is Frankenstein's
Okay.
monster. Check it out.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
I just tried to make it look like his face. The bolt's got a little crazy, and he's got a little knife, and he's cutting up a pumpkin. He's gonna maybe carve pumpkins later.
I love it.
His eyebrow fell apart.
That's okay.
He does not have a strong brow. I tried to put stitches. I used the black licorice as like the hair, but look at my back.
Stitches are so cute.
Did
though.
you like that?
Yes, I love it.
Okay. Womp womp.
But you only see the front.
But yours, okay, your backside has got all it going on. Mine has nothing.
You can have some of mine.
You've got all the Halloween magic, and I've just got, what is this?
I'll shovel some over to you.
And his face ended up in his hair over here. Like, wait, what happened?
I think it's great.
Thanks.
I'm very impressed.
And he has very veiny hands, too.
Me too.
All right, so let us know if you have a favorite spoopy Halloween gingerbread house that we decorated today. We have a candy corn theme and a Frankenstein's monster.
Frankenstein's?
What'd I say?
What did you say?
Frankenstein's?
I'm feeling spoopy.
Me too. I've had a dirty chai.
I had a filthy chai.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was so much fun. A big thank you to my friend Justine. Justine, thank you for coming over.
Thanks for having me. This was so much fun.
This is getting me pumped for Halloween. This is like really getting me into the spirit, and I hope it's getting you guys into the spirit because it's my favorite holiday. Again, I'm gonna be putting her links down below, so go check her out, subscribe, show her some love, and if you'd like to show some support, click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and give this video a thumbs up if you like Halloween, if you like Justine and I hanging out, and even if you don't like Halloween, you should just give this video a thumbs up because like, I'll know the difference.
Yeah.
All right, thanks again, you guys, and bye. Happy Halloween. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
You remembered.
I know.
Justine, now, how am I going to get you a to-go box so you could bring this home and display them?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm good.